And if you keep on pressuring yourself, mas lalo kang walang check dun sa checklist. Ito, another question from Miss Universe 2021. So what advice would you give young women or co-townies who are watching this podcast on how to deal the pressures they face today?
Parang every generation, palala ng palala yung pressure na nararamdaman ng kailangan ko na maging ganito, kailangan ko na maging ganyan. Yung kaibigan ko, may bahay na, may lupa na, ako nandito pa rin. Oh my God. Kasi sa edad natin to, kailangan talaga. Parang naging culture na kailangan may naipundar na ganito, na ganyan. Hindi mo mawawala sa isip mo or sa'yo na ma-pressure. Kasi nga, time is gold. Yung iba, nagmamadali na. Pero parang sa akin, to handle that kind of situation, darating at darating yung para sa'yo. Kasi naniniwala ako, bawat tao, may kanya-kanyang swerte. Parang ako, siniswerte, char. Kasi ang usual pressure, especially women, pressure is time. Live in the moment kasi hindi mo na mababalikan tong moment na to eh. Once na, things pass. So, what you have to do is be present, enjoy the moment. Kasi pag dumating na yung mga wini-wish natin in life, things will change because change is constant in life. So, kung ngayon, ito yung life natin which is having fun with co-townies, being spontaneous sa mga trips, parties, travels, especially with the townie barkadas from New York. Pag dumating yung moments or wishes na gusto talaga natin makamit in the near future, for example, having a family, starting a new life, building a family, hindi mo na mababalikan yung mga ganong moments, the single moments. So, might as well enjoy mo na right now yung mga ganong moments para, you don't have any regrets. Plus, I agree with you, kung darating. If it's meant for you, whatever happens, wag lang ma-pressure. Because, bibigay rin ni Lord kung ano man yung sa tingin niyang karapat-dapat para sa'yo. You just have to explore.
Naniniwala talaga ako sa constant change kasi during the time na nasa 20s ako, parang alam niyo rin yung age ko right now, no? But in my early 20s, may mga goals ako na gustong iset for myself. Pero darating kasi yung time na parang it will really not come the way you want it to be. Hindi mo check yung checklist mo because madaming mga unexpected experiences that you will have. And if you keep on pressuring yourself, mas lalo kang walang check dun sa checklist mo. Just live in the moment, as you mentioned. Minsan kasi yung goals ko for my early 20s is different already with my goals for the late 20s. Kasi nga, nagbabago yung panahon, nagbabago yung mga gusto. Exactly, the wants, the needs.